When it comes to AWS CodeStar, really anything CI/CD related in general, you always want to think about collaboration. So with CodeStar, what you can do is you can actually set up teams. So if I go to team here, I can see that I already have one team member, John. You're probably not going to have that team member. That's perfectly okay. So I'm going to click on add team member. And then from here, I can choose a team member that I want to add, or I can create a new Iim user. So let's go ahead and create a new Iim user. And then I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to give this person a name. I'm going to say Mike, for example. And I'm going to give Mike AWS Management Console access. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to add Mike to the DevOps group. I'm going to click review, and then I'm going to click create user. So now that the user is created, if I just go ahead and I click this refresh button here, and then I click the down arrow, I'm going to now see Mike is a user that's available. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to give Mike an email, test2@gmail.com. And the more important thing is the project role. So you have three. Viewer, which is essentially just read permissions. You have contributor, which is going to be read write. And then you have owner, which is going to be, you can literally do anything in the project. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to click contributor. And then you have another option here for if you want somebody to be able to SSH into the project instances. So I'm going to click on add team member here. And as we can see, Mike is now a contributor to this project. So if you wanted to go in and do anything from a code perspective, deployment, anything like that, Mike would have the availability to do so.